In today's video, let us solve the question number 10 from exercise 2.2, chapter 2, triangles. In my previous videos, I've completed the theorem 2.1, 2.2 and examples and questions related to the same exercise. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So now quickly, let us begin with the video. Question number 10, that is the last question from exercise 2.2, chapter 2, triangle says, the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. So this question is exactly opposite to what we solved in the question number 9 previously. So here they're saying us that the diagonals of a quadrilateral. So here they have given us a quadrilateral ABCD. And we have to prove that it is a trapezium, right? What is the difference between a quadrilateral and a trapezium? Quadrilateral and trapezium both are a four-sided figure, but the difference is in a trapezium you have two sides parallel and two sides are non-parallel. So if we prove here any two sides are parallel, then we can say that the figure forms a trapezium. So let us draw a quadrilateral ABCD. So in this figure, if we prove AB is parallel to CD, then we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. So they're saying that in the question, the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Okay, so first of all, let us write down what is given and what we have to prove. So given ABCD is a quadrilateral where the diagonals AC and BC intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Okay, so this is what is given. Now what we have to prove? So we have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Now to prove this, like how we did a small construction in our previous problem, we will do the same construction here. So let us draw a line OE such that it is parallel to AB. So here AB is parallel to OE. So write down construction, draw a line OE through O such that OE is parallel to AB. So this is the construction. Now let us write down the proof. So whatever is given here, let us take it as a hint and let us prove. So let us take this ratio which they have given, that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So given AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Now let us just interchange or cross multiply, or let us send this BO to the right hand side and CO to the left hand side, so that we get AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. That is, let us form these diagonals, that is AO by OC is equal to OB by OD. So cross multiplying, we will get AO by CO is equal to BO divided by DO. Name this as equation number 1. Now from construction we said that the line drawn OE is parallel to the side AB. So if we consider these two lines, so which is a triangle that comes here, that is AD and B. So let us consider the triangle ADB. So write down in triangle ADB, since we have OE is parallel to AB, this is from construction. Therefore, let us now apply the BPT theorem as any line intersecting the two sides of a triangle and parallel to the third side, then this line divides the ratio of the other two sides in equal proportion. Therefore, by applying the BPT theorem, we have AE by ED, okay, AE by ED is equal to OB by OD, right? AE by ED is equal to BO by DO. So let this be equation number 2. Now comparing the equation 1 and 2, again you can observe that the right hand sides are same. If the right hand sides have the equal values, then the left hand sides are also equal. So write down from equation 1 and 2, we can say that AO by CO is equal to AE by ED. AO by CO is equal to AE by ED. So now if you observe the figure here and see this proportion, we have AO by CO is equal to AE by ED. Since these two sides are divided in equal proportion, so let us consider the triangle ADC. So if you observe the triangle this triangle ADC, you have the sides AO upon OC is equal to AE upon ED. So let us write down. So in triangle ADC, E and O are the points dividing the sides AD and AC in the same ratio. So we will apply the converse of BPT and say that OE is parallel to DC. So write down in triangle ADC, E and O are points dividing the sides AD and AC in same ratio. Therefore, by converse of BPT, we can say that OE is parallel to CD. So now if OE is parallel to CD, now if you observe from the construction, we are also saying that OE is parallel to AB. So write down, but OE is parallel to AB from construction. So if you observe here, OE is parallel to CD and OE is parallel to AB. Therefore, we can say that CD is parallel to AB or AB is parallel to CD, right? So therefore, we can say that AB is parallel to CD. So that is what we had to prove. For ABCD to be a trapezium, we had to prove that any two sides are parallel, right? So since two sides, that is AB, is parallel to CD, now we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. Therefore, write down quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, so this is how we solve this problem. If you have any doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, let us start with section number 2.4, that is criteria for similarity of triangles from chapter 2 triangles. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC Insert Math. And also do watch the questions from the previous exercises solved, that is exercise 2.1 and 2.2.